Hi, welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. I'm Brenda. I began drawing when I was 10 years old. I loved how I could transform a plain featureless piece of paper into something that looked realistic and three-dimensional. It seemed like magic to me. 40 plus years later, I'm still drawing, but now I draw on wood instead of paper, using a wood burner instead of a pencil. But it still seems like magic. Pyrography is the art of burning on wood, and that is what my channel is devoted to. I will share with you time-lapse videos of artwork that I've created and post tutorials for those wanting to learn the art form. I have a website, Pyrography Made Easy, that complements or dovetails with the videos. For example, the time-lapse videos show the artwork being created, but I don't explain what's going on. In the corresponding blog on my website, I talk about the different aspects of the art's creation. That way you can watch the art come to life in the video and then read the blog to get a little behind-the-scenes look at the artwork. With my tutorial videos, the website has the written version of the tutorial. Plus, I provide a lot of pictures to help illustrate what I'm trying to explain. And I include a free pattern and the reference material for the artwork. So I hope that you will browse my website and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every Tuesday I post a new video, and at least once a month I provide a tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below.